What if I told you one single language could unlock better education, global opportunities, higher income, and confidence? That language is English. Today, English is not just a subject in school. It is a global skill, a career tool, and a bridge to the world. Why English matters? English is the most widely used language in business, technology, science, and the internet. More than 50% of online content is in English. If you understand English, you understand the world. From YouTube videos and online courses to job interviews and international travel, English is everywhere. English and success. Learning English gives you confidence. Confidence to speak. Confidence to share ideas. Confidence to stand out. Many successful people didn't start fluent. They started scared, shy, and confused, but they didn't quit. English didn't change their accent. English changed their future. Now let's talk about English and career growth. Want a better job? Want to work online, freelance, or start a business? English opens doors to international jobs, remote work, high salaries, global clients. In today's world, English and skill equal to opportunity. And here's the tips for breaking the fear. Don't wait to be perfect. Mistakes are not failures. They prove that you are learning. Every word you speak makes you stronger. Every sentence you try builds confidence. Remember, fluency comes from practice, not perfection. Now it's time for action. Start today. Watch English videos. Listen to English podcasts. Speak without fear. Your voice matters. Your dreams matter. And English can help you reach them. Ending words and learning English. Learning English is not about impressing others. It's about empowering yourself. The world is listening. Learn English and let your voice be heard. Please subscribe to the channel for more contents and leave your comments and suggestions below. And stay tuned for our next video.